Hair looked when I started my hair journey, and I'm going to share this with you because I want to motivate you guys. This is what my hair looks like currently, and this is another video to show you guys the progress on my hair. Part of the video is proudly sponsored by me. So if you're looking for how to grow your hair and you don't know where to start and you need me to guide you for at least 6 months to get to your hair goal, then click the link in my description box to get started. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this deep conditioner that you can use on your hair. I promise this is going to make your hair so soft. So if you are interested, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also like this video. It helps YouTube know that this video is actually important. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is to measure out my lavender buds, and I'm going to infuse it with distilled water. And as you can see, I am measuring everything out. I'm going to use a double boiling method for this, and don't worry about the measurements. I will list everything in the description box and also in the comment section. Now I'm also going to measure up my rose water. You can use whatever rose water you have, pink one or this normal rose water that looks white. You can use any one you have available. Also, I'm going to measure out my distilled water separately, and this is the water phase. Everything that has to do with the water part of this video, I'm going to mix them together in this particular bowl. So I'm measuring it out, and I'm going to measure up my vegetable glycerin as well. This is to help with moisture in the hair. Now you can use honey if you don't have vegetable glycerin. I think that's going to work as well. So I am mixing it up together, and I'm going to just stir this up, and I'm going to double boil this water phase separately. Now let's go ahead and prepare our oil phase. I am measuring up my butters, and for this particular deep conditioner I'm using cocoa butter and shea butter. I'm going to make sure that I list the ingredients and the measurements for you guys in the comment section and also in the description box, so don't worry about the measurements. So after measuring up my butters, I'm going to measure up my BTMS 25, my cetyl alcohol, my stearic acid as well. So I'm going to measure out these 3 things, and I'll go ahead and double boil this oil phase as well. So I'm using jojoba oil for this video, and I'm going to measure out the amount of jojoba oil I need into this container, and I'll go ahead and double boil this. So I'm also going to add my collagen powder to this. I'm going to mix the 2 water phase together. I'm going to pour the lavender infused water into the other water phase, and then the oil phase is ready. I have melted everything, so I'm going to pour the water phase into the oil phase, and my mixer is already on. So I'm going to use this and whip this up, and in no time it is going to form into a creamy texture. It's going to turn into a creamy texture.
Now a few minutes later, this is what it is looking like. So I just had to keep my mixer, and I used this whisk to turn it properly. This is what it's looking like. I want to show you guys up close what it looks like. Now once this cools down, you're going to go ahead and add all your essential oils to this. For this particular one, I used my lavender essential oil, and I also added my orange oil, and trust me, it was smelling so nice. And I also added my preservative, and the preservative I used was the liquid germal plus. I'm going to list the measurement in the comment section for you guys, but this is what I used. But you can substitute this with rosemary essential oil or any essential oil of your choice. And yeah, this is it. This is how it turned out. You can use this to deep condition your hair, and your hair will end up looking so soft. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching, and if you've watched to this point and you're not subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, share this video so that we can grow more. So thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.